Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon in Toca Boca. It's a fun and simple process that will add a tasty treat to your character's day. First, you'll want to find the refrigerator in your Toca Boca kitchen. Once you locate it, open the door and look for the package of bacon. Then, simply drag the bacon package out onto the kitchen counter, ready for the next step. Now that you have your bacon ready, it's time to cook it. Carefully drag the individual bacon strips from the package and place them onto a frying pan. Next, locate the stove and turn it on to a medium heat setting. You'll see the bacon begin to sizzle and change color as it cooks. Keep an eye on it until it looks perfectly crispy and golden brown, just how you like it. Once your bacon is cooked to perfection, it's time to take it off the heat. Drag the crispy bacon strips from the frying pan and place them neatly onto a clean plate. This is also a great opportunity to add other delicious breakfast items. You could grab some eggs and cook them up, or perhaps some toast from the toaster. Make it a complete and satisfying meal for your Toca Boca character. Finally, the best part, enjoying your hard work. Drag one of your Toca Boca characters over to the table where your delicious bacon and other breakfast items are waiting. Watch as they happily eat their meal. Don't stop here. Toca Boca offers countless possibilities for cooking and creating. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and recipes to discover even more culinary adventures in your game.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.